This is shh.
Shh.
Shh is the quiet sound. We make it when we want to tell people to be quiet. Shh can stretch into other sounds like this.
Sh. Sho. Shut.
Shh goes into words like shell, ship, sheep, and shark. Shh likes two letters together. Sh's favourite letters are SH, but it only goes into them when they are together. Shh doesn't go into S on its own or H on its own.